Hi everyone, let's see how you can fix Microsoft Edge that keeps crashing and denies to open. To get started, simply right click over the Start menu Windows icon and click on Run. Now type %local app data % and click on OK. Now go to Microsoft folder, Edge folder, User Data folder, Default folder, Cache folder and Cache Data folder. Now delete all the cache files you see here. Once deleted, try to run Edge and see if the issue gets resolved or not. However, if it doesn't, then proceed ahead with the next method. Search for installed apps and open it. From the list of apps installed here, locate Microsoft Edge, click on these three dots and click on Modify, and finally click on Repair. Now wait for the repair process to finish. Once the repair process finishes, Edge will open automatically. Now click on these three dots, then click on Settings, then click on Reset Settings, and finally click here to reset the settings of Edge, and this should fix the issue. Additionally, you can go to your BIOS and find an option of AI overclocking. So simply disable or turn off that AI overclocking feature from the BIOS, and this should fix the issue. So thanks for watching. Please feel free to subscribe and support the channel if you found the content helpful. Thank you.